Yung isa palinis na lang. Pag yung dalawa, i-ano natin. Malinis ng konti. Diyos ko po, mami, may mga ipis sa loob. May crayons pa ito na. May mga crayons, may crayons ito na. May gamba. May mga patay na ipis, may buhay na ipis.
Oh, look at this.
Parang taon na rin na hindi nagamit eh.
I'll show you how to do it, guys.
Hindi
Look at this.
na?
With the air filled with some
Hindi
fun,
lang siya ginamit
it can
kasi
make
hindi
it go
mabuksan.
to this. Some magic. It's not full of string. Wow. Oh, I can move it?
Get a new handkerchief. That one is dirty, I think.
Yeah, I think this is dirty. I have a new one. And look at this one. Oh, this is delicious of it.
Tapos mo, ano, yung appetite mo.
Whoa, I'm actually not moving it, and it's moving by itself. Wait, I need some help for a minute. By just putting, you can also just put this one right here, and it will just look like the wind is coming and the clothes are pulling
Huh?
out. Look at this. Wow. Wait, I don't know what is wrong with the recording right now.